So week 12, we're going to discuss, again, this is a series or continuation of the ICDIS performance standard. So explain the IMO performance standard for ICDIS, calculation and accuracy, performance test, malfunction alarms, and backup uh, arrangement. So the IMO performance standard for ICDIS sets requirements for accuracy and reliability in calculating the data process, ensuring safe navigation. ICDIS must undergo rigorous performance tests to verify its functionality and compliance with IMO standard, including the ability to display chart information accurately and response to the user's input. Malfunctions and errors are addressed through alarms and indication notifying the mariners for potential issues that enabling timely corrective action. So, since the IMO standard sets this regulation accuracy, calculation accuracy, so must be our ICDIS must be accurate in giving real-time data during the navigation. Example, if a specific target is in this area, so it must be confirmed by the ICDIS that this is the calculation, the distance bearing of the specific target must be displayed if the example target acquisition, so the data must be displayed, or the calculation, the data of the specific target must be displayed on this also. So if ever there is a malfunction or there is a leakage in the ICDIS given data, it must be notified or naa siya indication that the ICDIS have problem on calculating a specific target. So this is to ensure that if a navigator, if the officer on board or uh, the navigator know that if there's a malfunctions of the ICDIS in calculating the targets, the calculating the data for the targets, so the mariner could have this thinking that she or he can adjust his action uh, in accordance to the malfunction of the data given by the ICDIS. Uh, Also, the standards mandates backup arrangement to maintain navigational capabilities in the event of ICDIS failures, ensuring seamless transitions to alternative system, minimizing the disruptions of the operation. This standard aims to ensure integrity, reliability, and safety of ICDIS systems, enhancing navigational safety and promoting responsible maritime practice. So, again, I have said earlier, if ever nga dili siya reliable, so na siya backup to as alternative way for the mariner to have this reference to make a timely and quick decision in case of the malfunctions of the ICDIS.